Yep. Got a customer got a 16-foot trailer right there, 7 by 16. So I'm installing a CompuStar. So right here I got the pin switch right there, drilling through here. You can see right there. So when it's closed, and when it's open, which means it's gonna send the trigger to the alarm. And I did on the door the same way right there. I ran it up here. So I just slide the wire through there, not like them, but underneath. And here, one of the switch I made. So when you close the door, it open like this. When it touch, meaning it's gonna ground it out. Alarm's gonna go off. And I built a box over here. I ran the shock sensor out here. The customer can adjust it themselves however they like it, you see. So I'm gonna leave him about 6, so it's not too sensitive. And I ran the wire with this one. Since I'm putting the battery right there, he's gonna do something more to it. He's gonna add a solar on the top somewhere right there. So he's gonna add that later. So what I did, I put the ground and the positive right here, and then positive going up here, and then this one I leave it like that since I had to program the antenna, not the antenna, the remote. So I got the trigger right there. I used 2 triggers. One is for the hood, well, actually the brown wire is gonna go to the siren right there, and then I got the red and white. That's more like a door trick on a car, but I put it right there for the doors right there. And then I also have the gray and black. That would be the hood switch. So if somebody opened the back, it's considered as a hood, and then it's gonna trigger, and then send it to the brain, a 2-way brain. There's a remote for it. So basically, if I press lock to arm it, you can hear that, and unlock. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close this up right here. Well, actually I want to do the over here first. So I'm gonna close that, see if everything works. And also I'm gonna close this. Then I'm gonna arm it, wait for a few minutes. You gotta wait for 50 seconds. Something's open. That's what it sends me. Something ain't closing good. Maybe this one I'm thought about. But I'm ooh. Yeah, the alarm gone off pretty loud. So, yep. It's pretty loud. So I want it out here. See? Yes, yep. And the page is over here. That's how you do the alarm for your remote.